Today I am going to be making a homemade version of dishwashing detergent for my dishwasher. Since I am now no longer working full time, I'm finding ways to cut corners. So one of the things that I did cut was my Grove subscription that I have delivered every month. And that is my paper towels, toilet paper, dishwashing liquid for the sink, and dishwashing tabs for the dishwasher. What else do I get? Soap powder for laundry, and all of those things. So I will be looking online and finding different homemade versions of it. And this is the first time that I am trying this. The recipe calls for 1 cup of borax, 1 cup of washing soda, a half a cup of citric acid, and a half a cup of kosher salt. It also says that you can add white vinegar as a rinse aid, so I may try that as well. I need a half a cup of citric acid, and I'm not sure how much I have. It feels like I may have just enough for a half a cup, but if I don't, then what I'll have to do is cut this recipe in half, because I couldn't find any citric acid in the store. I might have enough for a 1/4 cup. Definitely not a half cup. Yeah, just enough for a 1/4 cup. Plus whatever I spill on the table. Alright, so I'll be cutting this recipe in half. I think this jar is big enough. So you basically just add all the ingredients together and stir or shake. And they said that the salt is for the scrubbing action. And I'll be using a half a cup of borax, a half a cup of washing soda. And mix it all together. And use a tablespoon per load of dishes. I think I read somewhere that the citric acid creates clumps in this. So if you do try this, just keep that in mind. Clumps don't bother me. I can break it up. And use a tablespoon. I think I have the tablespoon somewhere. So I'll let you know how it works. And if you've tried it before, let me know how it works for you. Or if you have a better recipe, please share. Have a great day.